You, my friend, are stuck and you don't even know it.
I am stuck. I'm following freedom lifestyle, billionaire lifestyle, financial freedom, make money on wine, motivational quotes, Instagram channels. I'm not stuck, if you want to know.
Well, let me ask you this. Did you follow Dr. Nikki Official?
No, but I'll do that right now.
Yeah, good. All jokes aside, did you ever feel stuck in your business? I met some business owners that do not want to scale up or expand their business because, frankly, they feel a lot of stress. Are you in this situation? Well, don't click off this video and watch until the end, because there is one simple rule that can be applied in most cases. Is it possible that your pride or lack of effort to educate other people, because by the time I teach someone, I can already do it myself and I'll do it better? Well then, let me ask you this. Can you do everything? Can you do post-production? Can you do Facebook ads? Can you do Facebook content, Instagram content, Google ads, write your own videos, the script, do the board, talk to all your clients, thousands of clients, do the email marketing, write the emails, provide customer support for all those thousands of people you already have as clients? And if you're trying to do it, you might as well fail at everything. You know why? Because you get burned out, you stop scaling, and all this marketing you're doing is not worth it. But think about it, you're already scaling. What am I scaling? Well, do you get your own electricity? Like run on a treadmill like a hamster to produce your own electricity? No, you're outsourcing that. You're paying someone to get electricity to your home. I'm really sorry if you're actually running on a treadmill to watch this video. My condolences go all out to you. Do you hunt for your own food? Do you go out hunting to get food, or you go to a supermarket? You outsource that part of your life. You pay someone, the cashier, that paid the supplier, that paid the person that was fishing or whatever. You're already outsourcing a lot of the things in your life. Why don't you think about outsourcing in your own business? No business can be scaled on your own. You gotta learn how to leverage time, your time, other people's time, to get the best results. But while we're at it, if you like paying thousands of dollars for ebooks, guides, you are not welcome to this channel, because here we are giving out free tips. So if you like free tips, make sure you subscribe and give this video a like, and also make sure you click that little bell next to the subscribe button, because that will notify you instantly on the next episode. And on the first 1 hour of the video, I answer all the comments in the comment section down below. At least I try to. It always pays to be first, trust me. So in a brief moment, we'll go on the PC and we might get a little bit technical, but do not click away, stay until the end. I promise you, it is worth it. You do not want to miss out on any of the tips. So there is this lovely website called Fiverr.com. I'm on it, and if you check the description down below, I have a link for it. Here you can hire freelancers from all over the world for competitive prices. This is a good place to hire a freelancer, because this is a market for freelancers, which means those freelancers are competing for quality and also price, so you can get the best buck for your deal. So if you're not signed up for the website yet, please do it by checking the link in the description down below. If you don't need it today, you might need it tomorrow. So let's say that you just started your business and you register your company, and now you need a website. You have no web development. So you type in create website. Let's go. And I will build a unique Shopify website. Here is your store. And blah blah blah. We have a lot of options here, but we want to get the best selling, the best product ever. This you always want a good deal. So you click on best selling here. It will sort by sellers with decent prices and a lot of feedback. As you can see, this guy, for example, has 1,000 plus
orders completed. So he has over $100,000 worth of sales on this website. And if you click on this guy's ad, who is a top rated seller, he has a bunch of options here. 5 pages complete website. Pages is for example, this is one page of a website. This is another page of a website. This is a third page of a website, for example, right? Because this, you understand the idea. These are the pages of the website. So first of all, you have to have an idea of how many pages you want on your website. If it's a Shopify store, this isn't the best idea, this guy. But if it's a Shopify store, you can order from this guy, for example, who says he'll build the complete Shopify store and Shopify website for just $30. Do you want to spend $30 on a course on how to make a Shopify store, then learn all the mistakes, spend a day learning or two learning and a week creating it, or pay $30 and have it within how long? 3 days, or pay $15 extra and have it within 1 day? This is outsourcing. So this is just a brief example, Then again, you would want a cheap ad, for example, and you might want to make your own on Canva. And if you want to make an ad yourself, please comment in the comment section down below. I want to make an ad myself and I make a tutorial how to make it cheap. But let's say one very good idea for ad is whiteboard animation, because the other animations are really expensive, or the ones that are cheap look really bad. Oh, I kind of like this one. Lost it, whatever. Will I find it? Yeah, I want to see this ad. But many of these explainer videos are not really good. But for example, this guy, as you can see, he's at best of the best. He has 47 orders in queue. He has tens of thousands of orders just in queue. And he has the whiteboard animation. I have the sound also. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. For $35 you can do that, or spend a lot of time learning how to create it. Do you want to spend all this time? What else can you outsource? You know that making PBNs for SEO are so time consuming, or making blog posts. What can you do here? You can type in SEO and outsource that. SEO outrank. So yeah, maybe you want to be more specific, like PBN, which is a private blog network. And if you don't want to do that, like going on all those links and creating them yourself, you can hire this guy for $15 to create 60 PBN backlinks permanent and blah blah blah. There's a lot of options. Many of them are bots, so what you want to do is sort them like this. This guy has 1,000 plus orders, so $5, so has over $5,000 worth of revenue, which is not that bad for SEO building, because most of these people are living in third world countries, because they get $2 or $3 an hour most of the time. Permanent links, contextual, high blah blah blah, authority, PBN backlinks. Maybe you can ask him for some examples because you before choosing them. And there's a lot of things about PBNs, how to mess them and so on, that and indexing them, that I might cover in another episode. Again, if you want, because I'm trying to see what's most interesting for you guys. If you want to see that, please comment that in the comment section down below. But this is just raw examples on the top of my mind of what you can outsource. Blog posts, something that I can actually tell you some people I've worked with, because purchased quite a few here. Yeah, this girl, I've ordered a lot. The quality is okay, but from what I remember, she only did 200 words. Yeah, 200 words, $5, and she does them pretty quickly. 3 days for 10 blocks, which is really good. You pick the topics that, again, if you check out the other video, I'll have it in a card, I think, right here on the right top of the screen, or somewhere in the screen. And about SEO, if you figure out keywords that your competition is using that are high volume, low competition, which means they have a very good keyword score, competition score, or whatever overall score your tool is ranking them for, You want to make blog posts for that, provide free content, and then monetize it by having some plugs or just having a conversion rate on the traffic you get from free tutorials or free guides or whatever your niche is. If you want me to be more specific, maybe we can do an episode of us paying some influencers and showing you how I work with them. But it's normally pretty easy to work with those guys. Look at that. Logo design, voiceover. If you're shy, you have an ad. Facebook ad. Facebook ad. Just an example. I will teach you. I will set up a Facebook ad campaign. $125, $15. Shop Facebook. There's like, you would, if you go to an agency, you spend hundreds or thousands of dollars just for them to look at you. Like the minimum budget going to an agency is $4,000 for Facebook, and this might not be the overhead there. This might not even include the overhead they will want to manage your ads. Like these people, freelancer, that work very competitive because they're competing with each other. They want to appear here. They're competing with each other to appear for your traffic, for you clicking them on one of those ads. So if they can get your attention, this might mean they are good at getting attention overall, and will get the attention you need with your ad. So there's a bunch of weird stuff. A lot of them are clickbait, as you saw from me browsing this, but there's good ideas here, as you can see.
So did you already register on Fiverr? Or maybe this video got you another idea. Maybe you're not a business owner yet, but you want to help other people outsource their business by providing services for them on Fiverr. So if you want to do that, you know what to do. The support we have last few days on our Instagram page and on YouTube, the subscribers we're getting is insane. I'm literally checking my phone with Social Blade, checking new subscribers for new subscribers all day. So if you're one of them, I welcome you to the family. And if you're new, you might not know my prescription. A video a day keeps the doctor away. Keep in mind, this is no medical advice. If you are sick, you should contact the doctor.